going to be looking at some CSEC past paper questions. Number 1 is usually from number theory, where they ask you for decimal places, significant figures, standard forms, fractions, stuff like that. So this question is asking you for decimal places. Write down your number, look at your number, and then count after the point. So after 3 places after the point, you draw your line, look at the number that comes after the line. If it is 5 or more, add 1. So you add 1 there, and so our answer is B, 3.141. Number 2, sets. Now, always examine your Venn diagram carefully. And the question is asking, how many students do not play volleyball? Not. So you're looking for all those not. 5 not, 3 not. So it is 5 plus 3. Your answer is D. All right, number 3, statistics. And this one is asking you for the range of the scores. Now, the range is the difference between the largest and the smallest value. You want the range of the scores, so you cannot look on the number of students. You have to look at the scores, right? The number of students is just the frequency. So you have to take the highest and the lowest value from the scores. So the answer there is C. All right, so a 3 sets question. And this one is asking you for where P intersects Q intersects S. So where all 3 sets intersect there. In other words, it is asking you for the element or elements that is in all 3 sets. So which element there is in all 3 sets? Yes, 2. Only 2. And so our answer there is A. For this question, you'll have to remember your circle theory. We have a common arc there, as you can see. So you have to observe your circle carefully. Make sure you remember your circle theories. And so since we have those standing on the same arc, we could say that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. So y equals 100. All right, so for this question, they're asking you for the circumference of a circle, but they're only given the length of an arc and the interior angle of that sector. So what you can do is to recall the formula to find length of an arc and then transpose that formula for C, the circumference. We are going to take the fraction to the next side. So we get length of the arc divided by 60 over 360 equal to C. 60 over 360 is 1/6, so we change the division to multiplication and reciprocate the 1/6, giving us 6. So the length of the arc 8 times 6 equals to 48. Number 7, 50 guests each had 2 glasses of champagne, so that's 100 glasses. Each glass held 150 milliliters. So I would go right ahead and multiply the 100 by 150. Right, to see total milliliters, which is 15,000. Now 1,000 milliliters give you our liter, so we divide by 1,000. So 1,500 divided by 1,000 give us 15. So answer there is C, 15. Well, another quick way of doing it is to convert those milliliters to liters, which is 0.150, which is the same as 0.15. Now multiply that by 100, since you have 100 of those milliliter glasses. And so you get 15, same way. Number 8. Number 8 is asking you for the area of the trapezium. So you'd have to recall the formula to find the area of a trapezium, which is half of A plus B times the height. So that is half of 8 plus 18 times the height, 5. So the area of our trapezium there is 65 squared centimeters. So B. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment below and let me know what questions you need help with. Thank you.